Here's this General Electric dishwasher here. The inside looks like it's in great condition, except for this and whatever. But other than that, it's still in good condition. You can lock it up as well. You see it's knocking on here. So this is a General Electric Nautilus, I don't know how you pronounce it. You can screw this as well. And boom. You got the controls right here as well, which the plastic's still on it. Which I'm not gonna remove. Since it was brand new, and this has been used for like for years now. It's the plastic still on it. That's it.